G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I've spoken to you before about the fantastic Wurth brake cleaner and how gentle it is and how effective it is to clean off oil and greasy things from, all your parts and that you want to clean up in the workshop. But what I want to talk to you today about is the pump bottle, the 1 litre brake cleaner pump bottle. Now, it's important when using the Wurth brake cleaner, you get the right pump bottle. And it's a simple pump bottle. We just pump it up, we pull the trigger and it sprays the product out. We can adjust the nozzle. But what happens in this pump bottle, different to the other pump bottles we sell, is it has this extra straw here. What this straw does is it stops the brake cleaner getting into the seals in here and doing its job by cleaning off the grease. So it cleans the grease off the seals if we don't have this tube. So it's really important to have this pump bottle for the brake cleaner. So that's the Wurth brake cleaner pump bottle. It's the perfect partner to the Wurth 20 litre brake cleaner. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and the Wurth brake cleaner pump bottle, it's ready for work.